What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unbagging. It's not in a box, it's in a bag. It's from Supreme. And today, and I'm also gonna go over my Supreme bag collection. So before we actually go over my Supreme bag collection, let's just do the unboxing. So last week when the Fox collaboration dropped, I was there early, ready. I was going for the jersey in black and white. I took a L. You know, I had said I was gonna probably do a live cap video and also go over that drop for YouTube, and I didn't do that. I just noticed that there was like 1 million people every day covering Supreme. So it's just like, with so much people doing it, it's just like I'm gonna have to like do other things, but more than Supreme. So I wouldn't cover every drop, and I wouldn't do a live cap video for every drop, but I might be doing a live cap video for tomorrow's drop. But when I was there going crazy, noticing that I was about to take a L, I started scanning the website to see what else was available, and they restocked the bags. So I grabbed the backpack in red, and let's unbox it and see what came with it. Looks like this time I only got one box logo sticker. That's cool. This is the backpack in red. I know you guys have probably seen 1 million videos of this bag already. Actually, there's not much videos of this bag on YouTube, but for the few videos that are up there, they're pretty good. So now that we've unbagged this one, I'm just gonna leave it in the bag, dead stock. I have no plan on selling this, but I might just sit on it for a little while, because I have other Supreme bags that I could use along the way. So my Supreme bag collection as of today, and I have no interest in buying any more Supreme bags this season. Even if they come out with a dope collaboration with somebody and there's gonna be another shoulder bag or a backpack or whatever, I'm gonna have to lay low, because I just this season alone, spring summer 18, I purchased enough bags to call it a small collection. So the first bag out of my collection is the red backpack, and you already know, really good quality, made by K.I.D. And as far as backpack prices go and what you're getting here, including the hype, it is totally worth it. These backpacks are gonna go up for the high in the future. Like, I'll see this very backpack going up to as much as 400 by next year. Or yeah, I think this backpack could be about $400 come next season, depending on what the next design is gonna be. And as far as Supreme bags goes, you know, they've been collaborating with K.I.D. for a long time, and they do some really good quality, very original styling bags, especially the backpacks. And some of the earlier bags, I really love the design, the way they use the branding. But these bags from spring summer 18, I really like them. I think they're the best. I've said that before, and it's because, well, when Supreme did the collaboration with Louis Vuitton, all those red luggage pieces came out. They all look so dope, and I was like, I wish when Supreme do their next bags, they would sort of mimic what they did over there with what Louis Vuitton did with it, and they came pretty close. I think when I saw Odell Beckham Jr. wearing that red shoulder bag Louis Vuitton Danube PM, I was like, that bag is so fire, and I wanted that bag, and I was like, I was almost getting close to buying it from Louis Vuitton, just the regular one, not the Supreme one. And then, you know, Supreme came out with these bags, and they're very similar looking to, I did a poll on Instagram, actually. I did a poll on Instagram between the Louis Vuitton collaboration and just the regular Supreme bags, and it was, you know, some people prefer the Louis Vuitton, some people preferred the newer stuff. I'll show the picture. Look at the picture right now. I'm really pleased with these bags and very happy to have these. Probably not gonna be buying any more Supreme bags in the future, like I said. So I have this one, the red backpack. I have the North Face rose gold, still with tags attached, sealed up in the bag and everything. And I have no interest in selling this one either. Like I have a bunch of sneakers that this matches with totally perfectly. The copper foam posits and the copper flight posits. So this is gonna be a good look to match with those when I do decide to use this bag, which I don't know when I'm gonna be using it, but I suspect I will be using the red one before I come around to using this North Face bag. So there's two backpacks, and then I also have the shoulder bag in red, and I have this very rare keychain right here. All the hype beasts out there know what this is, and if you don't know, get familiar. This is a very rare keychain that came out some years ago, and I hardly ever seen these. The last time I seen one of those keychains popped up was on Grilled, and it was for $60, and that was years ago. And I just have this one hanging on my bag. I'll give you the story about how I got this one of these days, but for now, it's hanging on this bag. And then I also have the Supreme shoulder bag, Spring Summer 18 in black. And man, I can't tell you how much I love these bags, man. Like, they are so functional. Like, I use these bags, and as soon as I got this one, the very next day I took it out. I had my stuff in there. What I usually keep in this bag is like my keys, my car key, my wallet. I could slip my phone in there sometimes, my phone charger. I do run around with a little piece of food sometimes, so there will be a piece of protein bar or something in there. And yeah, little knickknacks. If I'm gonna go over by my boy and we're gonna be playing some PlayStation, I'll tuck my PlayStation controller in there. And yeah, I'm not new to rocking shoulder bags. I've been doing this, wearing shoulder bags for a long time. This is like my everyday bag right here. It's not Supreme, and it's a G-Star bag, and it's what I use every day. Only for like more dress-up days I would pull out the Supreme bags. So yeah, I do those. And the last bag in my Supreme bag collection is the waist bag in black, and I have all the tags still attached to it. It's tucked into the pocket, and I have it sealed up, and I'm gonna keep it that way. I really want to start wearing this and taking it out and rocking it, but I think this thing is gonna be going up for a lot of bread in the future. Like this bag, I think by next, because it's such quality and the design, it has a very minimal approach. It's very similar also to the like I said, the Louis Vuitton collaboration, like the bum bag. This is just like an iteration of it, being not luxury but streetwear version. That's just how I look at it and how I feel about it, and I really think like it's really how it is. So yeah, those are my bags. I have 5 Supreme bags in my bag collection. This is not all of my bags. I do have some other bags. I have a couple more North Face bags and an Oakley backpack kitchen sink. But as far as my Supreme bags go, it's these 5 pieces. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. See you guys on the next one. Also, y'all, the lighting in here is terrible right now, so just work with me.
Straight fam, friend or enemy. I'm at the top looking down, like could it be? They at the bottom looking up, like where is he? Above you fuckers, beyond all you suckers. Raw as fuck, so gon' bring the ruckus. Blaze